Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Solar Energy Corporation of India offers 9 gigawatt manufacturing linked solar projects to Andhra Pradesh. Adani received letter of intent for acquisition of Madhya Pradesh Power Transmission Project. India to increase nuclear power capacity 3 times to cut carbon footprint. Coming to the details. The Solar Energy Corporation of India has requested Andhra Pradesh government to avail 9,000 megawatt solar power projects that it awarded under Manufacturing Linked Solar Tenders Initiative. The state can benefit from various advantages including offering the power at 2 rupees 49 paisa per unit, waiver of interstate transmission charges for entire 25 years of power purchase agreement and others. The entire 9,000 megawatt to be set up in 3 phases of 3,000 megawatt each are expected to be ready in September 2024, 2025, 2026 respectively. Solar Energy Corporation of India believes that the manufacturing linked 9,000 megawatt solar power would be an apt and befitting alternative to the government of AP's recent tender, and it would achieve all its stated objectives including costs and would be economically cheaper. Besides, AP will be supporting the nation for development of indigenous manufacturing under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. AP High Court quashed the solar tenders of 6,400 megawatt in June this year after Tata Power Renewable Energy Limited filed a petition complaining that the request for proposal and the draft PPA were not in the line with the Electricity Act norms. Adani Transmission has received the letter of intent for the acquisition of Madhya Pradesh Power Transmission Package 2. The Adani Group company has won the project through tariff-based competitive bidding process. Adani Transmission will build, own, operate and maintain the transmission in the state of Madhya Pradesh for a period of 35 years. The project consists of approximately 850 square circuit kilometers of transmission lines and air insulated substations of various voltage levels in 18 districts of Madhya Pradesh. With a capital expenditure of 1200 crore rupees, the company execution of the project will strengthen the transmission system in eastern Madhya Pradesh. India will produce more than 3 times nuclear power and its installed capacity is expected to reach 22,480 megawatt by 2031 from the current 6,780 megawatt as more nuclear power plants are planned in future. The issue of ramping up efforts to produce more nuclear power in the next 10 years was discussed in a meeting of Junior Minister in the Prime Minister Office and Minister of State Atomic Energy Jitendra Singh with the US delegation led by country's visiting Deputy Secretary of Energy David M. Turk. Singh during the meeting called for greater India-US cooperation in the field of clean and green energy and reiterated India's commitment to promote nuclear programs for providing not only a major source of clean energy but also a major tool of application in areas like healthcare and agriculture sector. Both sides also discussed revamping their strategic partnership to focus on clean energy sectors such as biofuels and hydrogen, aligning it with the India-US Climate and Clean Energy Agenda 2030 partnership, which was announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and American President Joe Biden at the Leaders Summit on Climate in April. Additional news today. Cabinet approves auto product linked incentive scheme of 26,000 crore rupees for electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. Chandigarh Renewable Energy and Science and Technology to roll out electric vehicle policy. Sri Cement to develop 106 megawatt of captive solar projects by September 2022. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 203.11 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 3 rupees 27 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 61 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 6 rupees 24 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 77 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 79 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.